Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my official channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly why you have to stop trading and why you have to start deving, because I made all this money from purely deving. In this video, I'll be doing a live example on how to launch step by step from start to finish without gatekeeping anything, and then seeing how much we can make in profits all in this video. Anyways, let's fucking get it. Now, there's a reason to why I do not trade a single coin in 2026, because back then, bro, it was so much easier. Every single coin was a runner, but nowadays, bro, when you buy a coin, it just goes to zero and you lose everything. For example, this coin, it pumped and it dumped. Now, the devs of these coins are making so much money because they control everything and they're the ones that is dumping these coins over and over again. That's why I'm making this video, because I'll be showing you guys exactly how to become a professional dev meme coins on chain, and I would even do a live example in this video for you guys, and you guys will visualize on how it works and the potential that it brings to deving coins, bro. So keep watching because it's going to be insane. If you're tired of fucking being unsuccessful in this market, well, this video is for you, bro. Like I said, everything is not financial advice. It's all for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me, bro. Yeah. Now right here, bro, I actually have a plan of what deving meme coins actually means, okay? Here I have my 3 wallets that I use every single day to dev my meme coins, and in the past 31 days, bro, I made this amount of money. These are my personal results, okay? I do not promise anything, okay? I had to be fucking consistent. I had to launch around 600 coins, right, to make this amount of money, and 50 of these coins went decently viral, which led into high fucking gains. Now right here, okay, diving meme coins means there is no initial risk. You are risking literally nothing by making a coin. Anybody can launch coins on chain. It's all up to your narrative and to your strategy, which I will expose mine in this video. But yeah, bro, you control a chart. You decide if you want to dump the coin or not. It's all up to you, and you don't need a big crypto portfolio. And obviously, bro, the more launches, the more chances you have of making money. It's all about being consistent, bro. Do not be discouraged on the first coin. You have to launch multiple coins, okay, and be consistent. It's like trading. You have to trade a lot, but trading, though, you could lose your money at any given moment. Deving, you cannot, and that's why everyone dev meme coins, right? Now, to make a coin, bro, most people make them on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you why you do not want to be launching coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, they control your liquidity pool, and second of all, it's oversaturated, and third of all, bro, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap for it to migrate to Raydium, right? And that takes too much luck and too much effort, bro. And as you guys may know, bro, the Raydium DEX is where most people are looking to buy your coin. There's thousands of people right now looking to buy a migrated coin because the Raydium DEX is like a level 2 from Pump.Fun. As you guys can see here, there's 12,000 of users online. That is absolutely insane. If you can launch a meme coin in the migrate section, you can get a lot of conversions. Now, to reach the Raydium DEX, bro, without going through Pump.Fun, well, that's create meme.io. You have to be launching your coins on create meme.io. That's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad, because it gets shown to thousands of people instantly right here. Now, to make a coin, you could either create one from scratch by finding a narrative, inventing a name, symbol, and image, and then boom, it's done. But I like to copy the coins myself, because the strategy here is that all these coins are all going viral. They're all getting a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun right now, and they're all filtered out, handpicked, and placed here for you to copy. Which means if you copy and vamp a coin from here to Raydium, you have a high chance of converting a bunch of people, because the narrative that you copied was already viral right now. That's why I love to copy coins, and I will do an example. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Dash a coin, click copy the Raydium. Wait for Phantom White to pop up, obviously, bro. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just wait, right? And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is extremely fucking easy, bro. We are just creating the liquidity pool like that. People will be able to buy in, and it's that easy, right? Now the amount of Wayfu coin, right? Here is where you have to set how much supply. Click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount of sold to pair. That is basically like the first buy in your own coin. Since you are the creator, you are not losing anything. You will get this first buy back. But yeah, since you are buying supply before everyone else, that's how you make profits. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, click on create pool. You will get this back later. Wait for a phantom wire to pop up real quick, and then obviously click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, and then obviously scroll down, and boom, the Wayfu coin is on live, and your PNL will show up right there. And obviously, bro, if you click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, bro, our PNL went up to $140 because people are now liking our coin and they are fucking buying in. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart. Let me go on full screen real quick to see. Let's fucking go, it's live. Then just fucking wait. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 7k market cap. Things are looking absolutely fucking insane. Okay, a bunch of people are buying in. Now let's cash out, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are going to receive around 1.8k. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then just wait for a wallet to pop up real quick, okay? And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 22 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how you do it from my perspective, right? You guys have to be consistent, launching coins every single hour if you can, bro. That is how you see the most amounts of results. Now, in my Phantom Wallet, bro, there's proof, okay? I am not fucking capping, it's all here. Now, you can just do that over and over again. Sometimes you might make 10 bucks, 5 bucks, 20 bucks, 100, 10,000, you never know. And that is why I love doing this. It's just fun, bro. And yeah, bro, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, do all that, and peace out.